What's up guys, welcome back to the next video learning PHP. My name is QDS Dani and you guys watching my channel Koraiwood. Alright, so we have done our server PHP self, and we have shown you guys how to post and how to prevent attacks. Okay, so now we're gonna go to profile and we finish the profile. So if you look in here, our profile is totally empty. So what we're gonna do here, our profile is empty. We're gonna bring all our HTML here. So we begin with the HTML, and we have a title. We're gonna go on our dashboard. We're gonna go on top. We're gonna bring the title, and we're gonna bring here the Bootstrap. So we're gonna remove the title from here, and we're gonna put a Bootstrap. Okay, so now we have a title and now we have a Bootstrap Koraiwood. Put a profile here, because we are in profile page. Okay, so now that you guys in profile, we're going to come here in our body. So we're going to look inside here. There's nothing here, but we're going to copy this one from here and we're going to put in our PHP here in our header, so in our profile. So this is here, and if you go here, you're gonna see this profile, and there is something dangling here. We're going to see what it is, and that's here. Okay, so that was done, and you look in here that now our profile have the same. So instead of now this profile, you guys can put a dashboard. Say for example you guys want to go back to dashboard, so you can do that. Alright, so now you're gonna come here and we're gonna put the rest of our code. So we're gonna do as here, like this one. We're gonna do that call MD3, column medium 3, column medium 6, and column medium 3. 3 and 6 and 9, 9 and 3 is 12. So there's 12 columns here, and we're gonna come and do our div class container. So we put a div class container, and our container's got a row. So div class row. So div class call md3, call medium 3, div class call md6, and we put a div class call md3. So we have a call md3, 3, 6, 9 and 12. And now on top we're gonna put something for our wallpaper. So we're gonna put a div class card. There's something called card in Bootstrap. So we're gonna come and see the card, and we put a div class row, and inside the row we put a div class two pictures. We put a div class call md3, then we put a 4, call md4, and we put a div class called md6, div class call md8, because this card is 12. It takes the whole screen. So if you put a color, say you guys gonna come here and we're gonna go on a profile. You guys don't see anything, but we have all our designing here at the back. So we're gonna come here and start working, because now we have a picture here. You guys can put a picture if you want. Now we have another picture here. You guys can put another picture. So now we don't have any picture, but if you have a picture, then we're gonna upload our photos here. So now we're gonna come here and we're gonna see our div class 3. So our call md3 profile is gonna be, we're gonna put it in this one. So we're gonna put a panel default. We put a div class panel default, and we're gonna put a div class panel body. We're gonna put panel body. Alright, so in this panel body, then I'm gonna copy this one, panel body, panel default. Okay, so inside our body, the panel body, I'm gonna put a h4, h4, edit profile. So you're gonna edit your profile here, but where it says call md3, we're gonna copy this one all. Why I'm copying this one? Because I want to move it to another one, this one, because I'm going to need it later on for this one. So now this one's, we're going to come back to this one, and here we have an edit profile, and inside the edit profile we're going to put our form. So now we're going to have a form, and our form have a action. Form action, and method we're gonna put a post, because in order for you guys to edit your profile, you guys need to do post. And we do div class form group. And inside the form group you guys can put your input. It's gonna be the type text, and the name is gonna be status, and the placeholder is gonna be status, and we're gonna copy this one. We're gonna copy the form group where it says input. That's our first input, and we're gonna do the second input, and this one's gonna be status. This one's gonna be, say, location. Okay, so location, and the last one's gonna be submit. So we're gonna come here and we put input type submit. Okay, so, and the name is going to be submit as well, and the name is going to be submit. We don't have a placeholder, and the value is going to be saved. Value is going to be saved. Alright, so we're going to have a look. So if you guys look in here, we have an edit profile here. You guys can put a nice border, but around this side we're going to bring our friends, which was Donald Trump, and friend request. And if you guys look in here, that was Mr. Trump and Joe Biden, both our friends. So you guys can look in here, call md3, and the call md3 still ends there. So we have a 2 panel. So we're gonna copy entire this one, and later on we're gonna customize it according to our need. So we're gonna come here, and it says here we're gonna copy everything here, call md3. Keep in mind this is just a filler, so we're gonna fill all our empty spaces, call md3. where it says call md3, we're gonna remove everything here, and we're gonna put our friends here. So we're gonna check, and look here, our profile also said add friends. It's a profile, and it says edit profile, so we're gonna edit our profile here. And if you look in here, we have a style, we have a border here, and we have a margin top 3. So you can come here and put a margin top 3, and you can paste the style there. So now it's nice, there is a nice layout here. If you look in here, and what's left in between, we can put our photos here, and it says here now our I'm gonna put everything a little bit closer there to make it tidy. And now here you can put so we put our profile here, so we're gonna come here, and it says profile, and underneath it says profile. Okay, so here in between the profile we're gonna say media div class media, and in between this media we're gonna put a div class media left, and in between the media left we're gonna put our photo. We're gonna put a image, because we're gonna, and we don't have any image at the moment, and we put a class object media, and we put a style, so we're gonna put a width of 130 px, and we put a height 128 of 130 px. So you guys want to check here, and it's gonna be here. That's where the photo is gonna come in, and the media body is gonna be, and we're gonna come here, and we're gonna put a media left, media body, and you guys can put a H, say H4, and you guys can put a say Joe Biden, for example, because that's his page. And you can put a P, and Joe Biden says, hi, I am Joe Biden, and I am President of America. That's his post, that's his profile, Joe Biden's profile here. And you guys can put a H class, and then media heading. So you guys put media heading. Alright, so we're gonna come here, and you're gonna see here that's gonna be photo, and whatever is gonna say something about I am President of America. So we're looking here, everything is all good. Okay, so we begin our form. So our profile is done too, and you look in here, it says Joe Biden, that's Joe Biden, and on top we're gonna upload some sort of wallpaper, and when we upload the wallpaper, we're gonna put it here, edit profile. You guys can upload your photos here. You guys, we're gonna remove this one later on, and we're gonna put all our forms here. We're gonna put different styles of form here, so we're gonna go step by step, one by one. we're going to see how we're going to done. All right guys, that's it for this video. In the next video we're going to show you guys how we're going to put all our forms here. So once we do profile, then we're going to see all sort of inputs. All right, that's it for this video. If you guys got any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.